Now in this example, we're still going to be using the selling price formula. That's the selling price, I label it as S. That's equal to the cost, which I label as C, plus the markup, and I just label it as U. Except we're going to be looking for a markup, but we still use the same formula. So this problem says, suppose you purchased a new laptop for $1,193.50. If the cost to the retail store for this particular laptop was $770, then we have these two questions here. A, what was the markup on the laptop? And of course, B, what was the markup percentage on the laptop? So a couple of things, again, to point out. You purchased it, so the selling price was $1,193.50, and then the cost for the retail store was $770. So the selling price, $1,193.50. That's going to be equal to the cost, that was $770. And then, of course, plus the markup. So to determine the markup, we'll just do a little bit of algebra here. I'll just subtract out the 770 from either side. And the markup, U, is equal to $1,193.50 minus the 770. And that gives us $423.50. That's what the markup was. B says, what was the markup percentage on the laptop? Now, keep in mind that a percentage has this symbol. And if you think about it, that symbol looks just like the division symbol. And that's not by accident, that's by design. And the division symbol looks just like a fraction. So that's what that means. So when we're talking about a percentage, we're talking about some part divided by its whole. This $423.50 is part of the $770. In order to be able to determine what part, we're going to write it as a percentage, or we're going to wind up doing some division. So we'll take $423.50, and that is what part of $770? So we'll just go right back to our calculators. We'll do 423 and 50 cents. And we'll divide that by 770. Hit enter. And that is 55%, 0.55. Or in other words, 55%. So the retail store marked up the $770 by 55%. That adds on another $423.50, thus giving us a selling price of $1,193.50.